Now we will see the percentage increase. 300 is becoming 400. So some increase is happening from the base value of 300. What is the value got increased? It is 150. 300 plus 150. This is the increased value. In this increase happened. 300 is becoming 450. The value got increased is 150. The value got increased and percentage increase is different. That's what you have to clearly understand. This is the increased value. You have to check how much percentage got increased when it becomes 450 from 300. So the formula is percentage increase is given by increased value by initial value into 100. The percentage increase is given by increased value by initial value into 100. So the initial value is 300. It got increased by 150 so that it is resulting in 450. So percentage increase. So increased values 150. Initial values 300 into 100. So by cancelling this, percentage increase happened is 50%. Let me explain. 300 is becoming 450. So the percentage increase happened, we have to find. The value got increased is 150. So the formula is like percentage increase is given by increased value by initial value into 100. The increased value is 150. The initial value is 300. By solving this, we are getting 50%. So if you take 50% of 300, that will be equal to 150, the value which got increased. The next one is the percentage decrease. 450 is the initial value and it got decreased as 300. So there is 150 is the value which got decreased from the initial value. So we need to find what percentage decrease happened in this. 450 is the initial value, 300 is the final value, 150 got reduced. As the formula is percentage decrease is given by decreased value by initial value into 100. As we know, decreased value is 150, initial value is 450. Percentage decrease, decreased value is 150, initial value is 450 into 100. So this is simplified as 1 by 3. So as we know, standard reference table, so that is 33 1 by 3 percentage is the answer for this problem. That is 33 1 by 3 percentage decrease happened from 450 to become 300. So this is the example for percentage decrease.